In this first chilling nighttime Ring doorbell clip, we witness an eerie figure shrouded in darkness as he approaches an unsuspecting homeowner's door, concealing his identity with a mask. Watch closely as he presses the doorbell and then meticulously surveys his surroundings, his intentions shrouded in mystery. What unfolds next will leave you on the edge of your seat as he ultimately decides to depart the scene. In this shocking Ring doorbell clip, we witness a troubling incident as a young boy is caught red-handed at someone's front door, wielding a knife with destructive intent. As he takes aim at the camera, his actions leave us in suspense. Suddenly, a startling sound from within the house startles him, forcing him to hastily flee the scene. In this daring heist Ring doorbell footage, two individuals approach a store, feigning interest in making a purchase. However, their true intentions soon become apparent as one of them seizes the opportunity, snatching a container filled with cash from the store's desk. The storekeeper, unaware while on the phone, is left in shock as the culprits make a quick getaway before anyone can intervene.
Hello? The camera caught your face.
Shame on you.
Come bring back out the police. Your face on the camera already.
In this harrowing Ring doorbell footage, we witness a heart-wrenching ordeal as an elderly woman returns home, completely unaware that she's being followed by a mysterious car. As she attempts to park, an ominous figure emerges from the shadows, launching a brazen attack by forcibly opening her car door and robbing her of her precious belongings. The intruder's lightning-fast escape back to his waiting car leaves us with a sense of urgency. In this gripping Ring doorbell footage, we enter the realm of the unexpected as a massive alligator, lurking in the shadows, prowls around the perimeter of someone's property. With its primal instincts in full display, this formidable creature moves with eerie grace, making its way toward the front door of the house, its eyes gleaming with an insatiable hunger for prey. In this intriguing Ring doorbell footage, masked individuals, shrouded in secrecy, approach a private property under the cloak of night. Their intentions become crystal clear as they attempt to break into parked vehicles, hoping to make off with ill-gotten gains. However, they are met with an unexpected twist as the vigilant homeowner springs into action, disrupting their sinister plans and forcing the intruders to hastily retreat from the scene. In this heart-pounding Ring doorbell footage, a lady rushes onto someone's property, pursued closely by a determined driver. Their intentions are unmistakable as she snatches up a valuable package left outside the house and swiftly deposits it into their waiting car. The tension mounts as they make a daring escape, leaving us with unanswered questions. In this tense Ring doorbell footage, a man stands at someone's front door, his face contorted with anger and frustration. With a menacing tone, he threatens the homeowner, vowing to involve the authorities in a dispute that's clearly reached a boiling point. But as emotions run high, a surprising twist unfolds as the man ultimately decides to walk away from the house.
I'm calling the cops! I'm calling the Talk to.
In this gripping Ring doorbell footage, we bear witness to a clandestine mission as a man stealthily makes his way onto someone's porch, driven by the urge to seize any valuable treasures he can find. With a sense of daring, he scours the area, acutely aware of the need for discretion. In this unsettling Ring doorbell clip, we find ourselves inside an apartment building where an intruder, fueled by the influence of alcohol, embarks on a perilous journey. As he approaches someone's door with ill intentions, clutching a bottle of alcohol, the tension mounts. Watch closely as he attempts to breach the entrance, his determination apparent. However, faced with the formidable defenses of the door, he ultimately decides to retreat. In this startling and unsettling Ring doorbell clip, a masked intruder takes center stage. This clandestine figure, shrouded in secrecy, is on a mission to break into someone's house, armed with spare keys. As he works tirelessly to gain access to the dwelling, the stakes rise with each passing moment. In this mysterious Ring doorbell clip, two women, bathed in darkness, stand before a stranger's door, their faces marked by worry and distress. One knocks urgently, while the other sits on the cold floor, tears streaming down her face. As they await the homeowner's response, their true intentions remain veiled in uncertainty.
You done the same.
Mama, chill out.
Bro, why don't you never help me?
No, te puedes dejar sola, ven.
I don't know why.
In this captivating Ring doorbell clip, a woman seizes the opportunity to grab a valuable package left unattended on someone's porch. With lightning speed, she snatches the prize and dashes back to her waiting car, her actions designed to go unnoticed by unsuspecting onlookers. In this nerve-wracking Ring doorbell clip, a determined man, on his trusty bike, arrives at someone's property, poised to execute a swift heist. With precision, he approaches the porch, eyeing the items left unattended outside. In a matter of seconds, he snatches the loot and makes a speedy getaway, disappearing into the night on his two-wheeled accomplice. In this spine-tingling Ring doorbell clip, an unidentified man stealthily encircles someone's property, casting shadows in his wake. His intentions remain shrouded in mystery as he meticulously surveys the area. Unbeknownst to him, the vigilant homeowner takes swift action, placing a call to the authorities while the intruder continues to search for a way onto the property. The tension escalates as police officers arrive on the scene, ultimately leading to the apprehension of the suspicious individual.
He got some damn shit in there. You don't want to break in his house. He gonna lay it down. He gonna make sure he gonna come back. He gonna quarter come back, kill your ass. Yeah, this is the red house. Like that. Yeah.
In this eye-opening Ring doorbell clip, we find ourselves at the doorstep of a home, where two individuals approach the entrance with dubious intentions. One of them clutches a set of tools, hinting at their sinister purpose. However, the homeowner, vigilant and resolute, intervenes, confronting the intruders with a straightforward question: "What do you want?"
I'm not home right now. Can I help you?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah, I got the
Oh,
wrong address.
this is
I'm looking for
place.
61
You gotta go on the other side.
Street. Not place.
All right, no problem.
Okay, I'm sorry, man.
In this Shroud of Night Ring doorbell clip, a lone woman finds herself trailed by a mysterious stranger. As she reaches the safety of her home, a sense of unease washes over her, prompting her to swiftly secure the door, her mind racing with questions about the stranger's intentions. In this Stillness Ring doorbell clip, a mysterious figure cautiously approaches someone's property, his intentions shrouded in darkness. Suspicion hangs heavy in the air as he eyes the surveillance camera, a sentinel of watchful eyes. With a daring move, he attempts to tamper with the camera, intent on obscuring his actions. In this Intrigue Ring doorbell clip, we venture into a moment of uncertainty as a man lingers at someone's front door, a picture of feigned innocence. His presence raises questions, as he stands there, seemingly waiting to see if anyone will challenge his unexpected arrival. However, it soon becomes evident that his true intentions are far from benign, as he seizes the opportunity to pilfer a valuable package left unguarded on the doorstep. In this gripping Ring doorbell clip, we witness a lady standing before someone's entrance, her demeanor cloaked in innocence. As she surveys the surroundings and lingers for seconds, her true intentions remain hidden. However, in a swift and unexpected turn of events, she seizes the opportunity to snatch a package left unattended and swiftly departs. In this unsettling Ring doorbell encounter, a man lurks around a homeowner's property, hidden by the shroud of darkness. His presence raises immediate concerns, prompting the vigilant homeowner to intervene for the sake of security.
I'm a neighbor. I'm sorry to bother you, ma'am. I live just down the road, and my girlfriend's mom and dad, they kicked me out of the house, and I was gonna ask if there's any way that I can do anything to at least something.
As we approach the end of this video, I just wanted to say, if you've enjoyed the thrills and chills, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more hair-raising content. Remember to leave a comment, share with your friends, and hit that like button to help spread the fear.